Welcome to Quollab Learning Community's Discord server. In this video, we are going to learn how to earn Quollab coins. So, when you go to the community category and find out the earn coins text channel, you'll find all the necessary information that is required to you in order to earn more and more Quollab coins. And one of those ways have been put on to this text channel, which is via referral and sharing our events. So, apart from the traditional method of earning Quollab coins, which was to participate in different competitions, group discussions, and case study discussions that used to happen over the Discord server, and the winners and participants would receive the Quollab coins as the perks. Apart from that, there are new methods via which you can earn Quollab coins. The first of them is referrals. Now, what are these referrals? These referrals are literally your referrals that you can send to your friends and people you know, and when they join this Discord server, you can use that referral to earn 10 Quollab coins as well as earn yourself a 20 XP on this server. Now this XP is going to help you in increasing your level and rank on this server. Now the process for it is that whenever your friend or someone you know joins the Discord server via a referral, all you need to do is to send their username to one of the moderators of this Discord server, and the moment you send their username to the moderators, your account will get credited with 10 Quollab coins and you'll receive a growth of 20 XP in this Discord server. Now coming to the second method via which you can earn these Quollab coins. The second method is via sharing our events. So in this picture too, if you see that there is first earn coins via referrals where you'll get 10 coins per person and it will increase your XP by 20. Then you have earn coins via sharing events where you have to submit the screenshots where you have shared the events that take place over this Discord server into your college groups, and for every screenshot that is valid and that you have shared with the moderators of this Discord server, you'll get 5 Quollab coins and your XP will get increased by 50. And as far as the moderators are concerned, you can find out that you can send your screenshot to these people mentioned in this message, and this is how you can mine more and more Quollab coins and use them for unlocking different rewards and play more and more games on this Discord server. Thanks a lot.